everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is single serve apple crumble. Today I'm going to show you a lower carb, not a totally low carb recipe, but it's a delicious recipe for the fall, apple crumble, and this one is going to be single serve, so it's a perfect single portion dessert. Let's jump right in. First thing we're going to do is prep our apple. I'm gonna be using a Honeycrisp apple for this. I like to use Honeycrisp. It's a little bit sweeter, not too bitter, so it's a perfect apple for this particular recipe. You're going to first peel the outside layer. So I'm just going to take a peeler and take off the skin of the apple. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Next, we're going to dice our apple. So I'm gonna cut it in half. And cut it again. And once it's in quarters, it's really easy to take out that middle part. We're now going to dice the apple, so I'm going to cut it into slices. Then I'm going to turn it, cut it in half, turn, and then dice. I'm gonna take my diced apples and add them to a ramekin. You wanna get like a small, medium-sized ramekin. While we're also prepping this, we're preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you guys know, all of the measurements will be down in the description below. Although for this recipe, you can use regular brown sugar, I'm gonna be using my Swerve brown sugar replacement, not sponsored. This is just the brand that I like to use. This one is the monk fruit and erythritol brown sugar substitute. And I'm gonna be doing 1 teaspoon. If you're using regular brown sugar, you can use 1 tablespoon. So 1 teaspoon of the brown sugar replacement. And then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's combine all of this together. You wanna make sure that all of the diced apple is coated in the cinnamon and the sugar. Let's set the apple aside and we're gonna work on the crumble topping. So for our crumble topping, the first thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of almond flour, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, and I like this particular brand, not sponsored, it's just a really good brand for rolled oats. A heaping teaspoon of our same brown sugar replacement, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This is unsalted butter. Let's combine all of this together. Make sure it is completely coated, everything is well combined. We're gonna take this crumble topping and add it on top of our apples. Our apple crumble is ready to go into the oven. Again, I'm putting it into a preheated oven. It's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You know it's ready when the apple is soft. And there you have it, delicious single serve apple crumble. After it's baked, I've taken it out. I let it cool for about 15-20 minutes. It smells like an apple pie in here. I cannot wait to take a bite. Let's get a little piece right here, some of our delicious crumble topping, some of the perfectly baked apple. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. This is such a simple recipe to make. It is really quick, and most importantly, it is absolutely delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.